Check this out, this is the new XGT 40v max brushless circular saw from Makita. This is a 185mm circular saw featuring a really nice balance of high speed and high torque cutting. Powered by the new XGT 40v batteries, this saw achieves 6,000 RPM max blade speed. And the saw has a max cutting capacity of 66mm. Beveling all the way from 0 to 56 degrees with quick stops at 45 and 22.5. Dustport is included with this unit and it comes standard with AWS, so you can sync it with your Bluetooth AWS Makita vac. The saw's got some serious power, it's really buttery smooth to use as well, and a big part of that is the ADT, or automatic torque drive technology. As you push it harder, instead of bogging it down, it draws more power, increases the torque, and powers through the cut. And you can see how this is working with the green indicator light up the front. When the green light is off, it's in high speed mode. When the green light is on, it's in high torque mode. And when the green light is blinking, that means it's in overload mode. It switches between modes automatically while you're cutting, and you just keep ripping like it's butter. The new XGT 40v circular saw is really nice to use, and with that magnesium deck, it's really solid and light as well. Head over to sydneytools.com.au for more info, and while you're there, check out the rest of the XGT 40v range from Makita. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below, and until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.